All right. It is day 5, I believe, of being on this journey of not working for the man. And I'll tell you what, just getting the setup for everything is difficult. Still going through the process of setting up the website. Got the homepage completed today. Started building the online store for the drop shipping. Come to find out that maybe Wix isn't the best alternative for that. I think I'm going to go more the Shopify route and connect it to Amazon. Just makes it a little bit better for what I want to do. I don't want to have a full product page where all the products are listed because I want to sell, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products at a time and maybe have each product have its own website. Wix doesn't allow you to have separate stores like that. Shopify, I believe, allows you to have up to 10, more depending on the price that you, or the package that you pick. So that's where we're at. Got to start getting all the tax documents together from last year. There were no expense. No income for the business, but I got to pull together the receipts for things that I bought from, the incorporation, whatever it may be. A couple tools here and there for the business. So all in all, making progress. First page is done. Homepage looks pretty good, kind of unique. Gonna later on tonight, gonna get out there and continue working on the About Us page. Try to keep the same flow, that type of thing. But we're going forward. We're not stopping. We're gonna keep doing. I'll tell you what I'm struggling with though, right? I'm struggling with, do I start this as a marketing agency, as a marketing consulting business? Is it a marketing agency that does consulting? I think that's where I'm tend to lean, because I want to offer, small businesses and medium-sized businesses products to where, these people are the backbone of the world, basically, right? So a lot of them don't have the time and or the marketing skills to really sit down, write blog posts, create social media posts. You know what I mean? We want to do a multiple touch point for holistic marketing, basically, right? I believe that you have to have multiple touches for people to actually become customers. Now, there's always the outliers that oh my God, we love what you got. One time, touch it. They come across your website organically. Boom, we want what you got. We're right on the page, and we're buying it right then and there. But I believe that it takes multiple touch points. So that's what we want to do. We want to help small, medium-sized businesses with it. So, whether it's creating an email that they don't have time for, a newsletter, a case study, a blog post, social media posts, whatever it may be. And then, I'll leverage my experience as well. I've been in the game. I think it was Biggie Smalls that said, I've been in the game for years. But I've been in the game for years. Help build a couple companies. I've owned a couple companies in my time. I've won some awards. I've got a podcast that currently right now is in the top 15% of all video podcasts at Spotify. So it's a number one podcast within its own niche. So that's what we want to do. We want to leverage my expertise as well for the consulting side. So if businesses want to work with me, yeah, let's do it. I'm game. But so right now, yeah, just trying to figure it all out, trying to get the marketing agency / consulting website up and running. Once I get that out there, then I'm going to turn my attention real quick to drop shipping certain products. I've got a idea on how to leverage YouTube and social media as well for not only gaining ad revenue, but also gaining revenue from drop shipping the product, hopefully. So we're going to see. But all in all, that's where we're at. We're going at it. We're sticking with it. And, we're just cruising, man. So hopefully you guys see this, and as I post every day by day, on what it is I'm doing, you guys can kind of follow along. And if you want to do it, get out there and do it too. You know what I mean? And we'll work on it together and become profitable together. So, all right. Day 5, I think it is, of not working for the man. Whatever it is, it's January 28th. So talk to everybody later.